Here we'll show you how to store the iMOW robotic lawnmower correctly using the optional wall mount accessory. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. To best preserve the battery, first make sure that the charge level of the iMOW is at least 50%. In addition, all access options in the My iMOW app must be deactivated for hibernation. Take your iMOW from the docking station and press the stop button once. Press and then keep the stop button pressed until the light strip fully lights up red. Pressing the stop button again will activate the device lock. Now press and hold the stop button one more time. As soon as the light strip fully lights up red, that hibernation mode is activated. The iMOW can now be brought into the room where the wall mount is located. Remove the ground pegs, cables, and wires from the docking station, and protect the wire ends against weather exposure. The docking station can now be dismantled for storage. If you have an iMOW 3 or 4, you must use the inner openings of the wall bracket. Use the outer openings if you have an iMOW 5, 6, or 7. First mount the two hooks for the docking station in the openings provided in the wall mount and hang the docking station in the eyelets. The two holding plates for the iMOW are simply inserted into the openings provided, and the iMOW robotic lawnmower can be hooked onto the rear axle. Place the power supply unit on the shelf at the top of the wall mount. The iMOW and the docking station are now stored in a space-saving way until the next use.